Introduction. In today's digital-driven organizations, a business system analyst (BSA) is crucial for bridging the gap between business needs and technology solutions. Acting as a strategic connector, the BSA ensures seamless collaboration between stakeholders, business users, and technical teams to translate raw requirements into effective system solutions. This video provides a comprehensive guide detailing a BSA's core functions, project life cycle involvement, and essential skills. It is the ultimate resource for freshers, business analysts, and professionals transitioning into techno-functional roles. Core responsibilities. A BSA owns diverse responsibilities, starting with proactive requirement gathering and systematic analysis. They conduct workshops, interviews, and discussions with stakeholders to deeply understand business needs and pain points, subsequently performing gap analysis between current and future systems. This transitions into high-quality documentation, including business requirement documents, BRDs, functional requirement documents, FRDs, or agile user stories with clear acceptance criteria. They also provide solution support, collaborating with developers and architects to ensure technical feasibility. Project life cycle responsibilities. During project execution, the BSA's role shifts to hands-on support across the design, development, and testing phases. In design and development, they clarify requirements for developers, support UI/UX discussions, and validate data flows and business logic. During the testing phase, they assist the QA team during system integration testing, SIT, by helping prepare test scenarios, writing test cases, and tracking defects. Finally, during user acceptance testing, UAT, they coordinate with business users to validate requirements end-to-end and secure critical stakeholder sign-offs. Additional real project responsibilities. Real-world projects demand that a BSA handles stakeholder management, change control, and operational support. They maintain clear communication across business users, product owners, and developers to manage expectations and resolve conflicts. When scope shifts, they lead change management by performing impact analysis and maintaining requirement traceability. Furthermore, they provide production support during deployment, manage post-production issues, work in the hypercare phase, maintain project documentation, and provide regular progress reports. Skills and final summary. Success requires a balance of functional acumen and technical skills. A successful BSA couples analytical problem solving with a deep knowledge of SDLC and agile methodologies. Strong communication must be paired with a solid understanding of databases, APIs, system integration, and tools like Jira, Confluence, Excel, and SQL. Ultimately, a BSA plays a critical role in IT delivery by aligning business goals with technical implementation, ensuring clarity and value. Thanks for watching.